Hey guys, it is your girl Mel, and I am back with a brand new video. Yes, it is 2019, and I wanted to bring you guys into my closet once again. These are all the clothes I normally have set out for the week. I try to pre-plan on a weekly basis on the things I'm going to wear when I'm going into the office. Typically when I'm working from home, you know, it doesn't even matter what I have on, okay? But go ahead, guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a long-time subscriber, welcome back. Thanks for hanging in there with your girl. But if you're new and you're watching this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified on when your girl's gonna be posting new videos. Like, yes, I am trying to be a little bit more consistent with my content this year, and I probably said that on 1,000 videos. But guys, that's one of my goals this year, to be able to bring more content, be able to put out videos, and we're just gonna go ahead and do it. So today's video is just basically a simple get ready with me. Let's go to work with Mel. Let's see what she's wearing. You know, I still got these braids in my hair that I had since October. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at GRWM and watch the video on how I maintain my braids, because a lot of people be like, wow, you had your braids for so long, like, what are you doing? So go check out the video so you can see the steps, the process that I take to be able to accomplish keeping these braids looking fresh and not looking funky. But let's go ahead and get us in this video, and I'm gonna show you guys what we are gonna be wearing today at work. All right. Alright guys, so this is like my clothing rack here that I have. It has like little drawers, and the majority of the drawers has my son's stuff in it, like his toys, because he put toys everywhere. But I found these great little twill pants out of Marshall's, probably back in the fall, September-ish. They're capris, so I'm going to go ahead and wear these today, and I'm going to pair it with a very basic mock turtleneck that I got out of Rainbow. Now these pants, I got them they were like on clearance. They were $15. And then this mock neck turtleneck shirt, or my neck sweater, basically got it out of Rainbow. It was on sale too. I think I paid maybe $5 or $6 for it. And it's kind of thin, so I do have on a body shaper to wear underneath it to be able to kind of like conceal. Like, it's very, very sheer, y'all. So, and I'm glad I'm able to kind of wear it because it's a little like cooler today here in Atlanta. So yeah. And the shoes that we're going to be wearing, guys, listen, these booties right here are Easy Spirits. Oh my God, guys, can you believe it? They make such comfortable shoes, and the shoes look so great as well. I remember when I was a little girl, I used to like tell my mom, I was like, Easy Spirits are for like old folks. And here I am at the age of 38, and I am wearing Easy Spirits now. They're the most comfortable shoes that I have next to my sneakers over here, y'all. But these shoes, I like wearing these booties. They're very stylish. They go great with everything, with jeans, with skirts. So yes, I love these Easy Spirits. So yeah, can't complain with that. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Let me go ahead and just get dressed for you guys. Now let's see how this outfit is going to come together. Now, I'm not really big on jewelry, so I don't have like a big, large collection. So I have like some silver hoops, and I have like this initial necklace that I will be wearing. So let's go ahead and get dressed. Guys, now that we got like the outfit on, I like this little ruching up on the shoulders of this top. Actually, not that. Not that. So let's go ahead and just put on my little necklace. Like I said earlier, I'm just very, very simple when it comes to style. And it's all about comfort. Like, why can't I get this necklace on? I hate putting on necklaces. Sometimes, like, it's like the clasp doesn't work. Or maybe because I'm doing it on camera, y'all. So it's kind of like, uh-oh. I'm using you guys as my mirror. Alright, there we go. So, and this is just basically, you probably can't see it, but it's just an M. And then I got these hoops. Now I wear, these are hoop earrings, and these are pretty much clip-on earrings. And I don't have pierced ears anymore. I used to, but I had like this severe breakout once when I was younger. So when I got my ears pierced, it was like a horrible experience. So, and I'm glad I found like these types of hoop earrings versus the ones that like clasp. I like these because it gives you the illusion that you have on pierced earrings, and a lot of people think I do, but I don't. And I'm gonna take off this head scarf. I kind of like gel down my edges a little bit with edge control, but it don't really work for my hair sometimes. These are the braids, guys, that I've had these braids for 4 months. October, November, December. Well, January would be 4 months. So yeah, these are a very long time. So all I'm gonna do is just basically is pretty much I have the braids split in the middle, and I'm just gonna take a section on the side here. Making sure I get this one down here. So we got that. We're gonna push these braids back. Same thing on my left side. Make sure I get this braid by my ear. We're gonna push these back. And I just want to put one back. It's very simple. Nothing complicated about this style at all. So I'm just gonna pull a little bit forward to the front. This is pretty much like my go-to style for my braids. I do other styles. Maybe I might do like a how to style braids, like different ways you can wear your braids. But this is the most comfortable way that I like wearing my braids. I really don't like things in my face, but this is how I like to wear my braids. So let's go ahead and just do like a full little like view of today's look. All right. So there you have it, guys. Look at these little pants. This is like my second time wearing these pants, and this little shirt looks great, and this necklace and everything. So hey. Guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at GRWM. Also follow me on Twitter and Facebook under the same name, GRWM. And if you are interested and want to be a creative and learn from a guru who is a graphic designer and a photographer, go ahead and join my Facebook group, which is called the Brown Sugar Creatives. All the information will be linked in the description below. So until then, guys, I am going to see you in the next video. Bye.